the other day I was just not feeling content creation and being happy and whatnot. But we know that job must be done. Umsebenzi job usibali. So I know that I have to promote my affiliate links. And I just want to show you, if you promote your affiliate links and you don't want to show your face, this is what you do in the results after. I did a quick research on our buddy Google, and then I went to Canva and I placed the results that I found on Google with tweaking a little bit here and there. The important thing though is to direct people where to find your affiliate link. As you see, I said go to my profile to find the Canva link. Another important thing is to treat each platform the way that you're supposed to be sharing information on each platform. Twitter differently, Pinterest differently, but Pinterest is amazing with affiliates because it gives you the opportunity to send people directly to the link after they've read the tips that you've shared. The results were on that same day, the 1st of February, I got 23 clicks on my Canva affiliate and it went up. And that's how you redirect people or you sell without selling. Let me know in the comments below how you promote your affiliate links to your tribe.